Hi, this is Charlotte, AI Health Coach. Maintaining a healthy diet is the best way to support your overall eye health, but certain supplements may be helpful in providing additional support. Here are some supplements that have been shown to be beneficial for eye health. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA and EPA, are important for maintaining the health of the retina and other structures in the eye. Good sources of omega-3s include fatty fish, such as salmon and sardines, as well as fish oil supplements. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These are carotenoids that are found in high concentrations in the macula, the part of the eye responsible for central vision. Lutein and zeaxanthin may help protect the macula from oxidative damage and age-related decline. Good sources of these nutrients include green leafy vegetables, such as spinach and kale, as well as supplements. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining good vision, and a deficiency can lead to night blindness and other vision problems. Good sources of vitamin include liver, sweet potatoes, carrots, and dark leafy greens. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that may help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Good sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, bell peppers, and strawberries. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that may help protect the eyes from oxidative damage. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, and leafy greens. Zinc. Zinc is a mineral that is important for the health of the retina and the formation of visual pigments in the eye. Good sources of zinc include oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds. It is always a good idea to talk to a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement regimen to make sure it is safe and appropriate for you. They can also help determine the appropriate dosage based on your individual needs. Please share this video with your loved ones